like the way you're smiling at each other. Don't worry, it's gonna be fun. If I give you the questions, you'll be thinking a lot. You're looking forward to it?
I've been looking forward to completing it. And
I want to see your gold medal, bro.
No bad habits, man.
Looking at girls.
Employment.
Taylor Swift, always.
Making money.
Overthinking about the things that we can't really control, maybe. Michael Jackson.
Michael Jackson. Name one song.
I don't have any idea, but I don't like Taylor Swift. She's way too overhyped.
100 rupees for both of you all. 100 rupees for both of you all. It's yours. To get yourself flowers.
Shut up!
100 rupees. Light, bro. Let's start. What's your go-to movie this winter season?
Yeah, Pushpa 2 for sure.
ये जवानी है दीवानी.
Gladiator 2.
Purple Hearts.
कुछ होता है.
Falling for Christmas.
Too busy, bro. Don't watch movies.
For me, it will be Kal Ho Na Ho.
Deadpool 3.
I want to watch Pushpa 2. Serendipity. Any horror movie will be good.
Your fault movie.
Holiday.
Universal Intelligence.
Princess Switch. It would be Princess Switch.
Mr. Bean.
The Holiday.
I think Harry Potter.
All we imagine as light. Laila Majnu, actually.
Home Alone all over again.
Marco.
For me, it's Home Alone. The whole series from 1, 2 and 3.
Michael Jackson or Taylor Swift?
Michael Jackson. Taylor Swift.
Michael Jackson any day.
Taylor Swift, always.
Michael Jackson, obviously.
Taylor Swift.
Taylor Swift.
Michael Jackson. Any day.
Any day. That's not a question. Michael Jackson. Taylor Swift.
Taylor Swift for sure.
Taylor Swift.
Michael.
MJ.
Michael Jackson.
Taylor Swift.
Taylor Swift.
No Taylor Swift. She's a red flag. So MJ.
Taylor Swift. Michael Jackson. Name one song.
Please, I know a lot.
Give me one. Give me one. A true Michael Jackson fan right here.
Michael Jackson. Michael Jackson.
That's
Michael Jackson. Taylor Swift.
Michael Jackson any day.
Taylor Swift.
Easy Michael Jackson.
Taylor Swift. Michael Jackson.
Easy.
Ain't no Swifties.
Michael Jackson.
Michael Jackson. Name one song.
I don't have any idea, but I don't like Taylor Swift. She's way too overhyped. Taylor Swift.
Yeah.
Taylor Swift, but ideally none.
What's one habit that you want to leave behind in 2024 before you step into the new year?
Waking up late.
Vaping maybe.
Overthinking about a lot of things.
Looking at girls.
No bad habits, man.
Falling for red flags.
Procrastination. Fixing my sleep schedule, so sleeping on time.
I don't know. I think I should really lock in and be more productive for sure.
Yeah, we're going to be graduating very soon, so we would not want to be
Unemployed.
Maybe starting a gym.
Maybe being lazy.
Quit smoking.
I want to start being more consistent.
Smoking.
Trusting people.
Overthinking, I guess.
Falling in love.
I get angry too much. I think that's the only thing I should leave behind.
Probably stop wasting a bit of time.
Trusting people.
I'm planning to quit cigarette.
Crying over people. I want to be more confident. I would say overthinking about the things that we can't really control, maybe.
Worrying about silly things or overthinking, just keeping everything aside.
Be a little more mindful and, just stop being so lost.
I want to stop smoking at this point.
Worrying too much is something that I would like to leave behind in 24.
Yeah. Overthinking, getting too anxious about things which are not in our control. Yeah.
I don't know. I think I'm going with all the habits.
I really want to date someone.
What's something you're looking forward to in 2025?
Coldplay concert and starting the gym again.
Homeless 50/50 AD, my feature film releasing in that year. So,
To not make the same mistakes which I made in 2024.
peas.
More muscles. I hit the gym all day, yeah. Maybe to meet great people, share things and learn things from people.
Employment. Get placed.
I think what I'm looking forward to is I've seen a lot of concerts happening around in India and I've been to some of the concerts. It was not the best experience, but I feel like this is a lesson for all the concerts that are going to happen in India, that maybe they're going to improve and the culture of concerts is going to grow. International artists are going to come. So yeah, I think that's what I'm looking forward to.
Convert my internship to a PPO.
Going to the gym. Actually, for me, it will be having more experiences in life. I don't want to be at home. I just want to get my shit together and travel and experience things. Good or bad. I want to network more.
I'll be completing my MBBS this year and I'm in 4th year right now. And next year I'm going to become a doctor. So yeah, I want to treat patients and I want to look forward into that.
Let's go.
I'm looking for a job switch right now. I live in Chennai, so I'm just looking forward to moving to Bangalore next year. So let's see.
I think this world lacks behind kindness. I think every person and every people should be kind.
Well, I would say I would just wish for all positive things to happen, maybe.
Trying to finish my degree. I want to get a promotion.
I just want 2025 to be not like 24.
Good grades and better placements.
Green flag boys making money.
Let's go.
Working on self.
Some new non-veg cuisines to try.
Nice.
So I think that is something I'm looking for.
For me, I think to start the year, I'm looking forward to the Coldplay concert to start off with. And we both are new in the city, so maybe exploring the city.
Anything like I want some success in my life. Some good people, success and some good people around me.
If 100 rupees was the last amount that you had left in your wallet, how would you use it?
On my mobile recharge.
I would just eat food.
French fries maybe, yeah.
Momos.
Honestly, hazelnut eclair too, because we both love hazelnut eclairs.
Snickers, black coffee, and a smoke.
Food. Eat a lot of chats and go out with friends and buy small things. Maybe that would give us happiness.
Momos. Like 4 cigarettes.
Pani puri.
Thumbs up. And some layers, that's all.
Ice cream.
I'll buy a plate of veg momos. I don't know why that's the first thing that came to my mind.
For me, it'll be pani puri.
I would buy cigarettes.
Ice cream.
I'm surely getting ginger ale.
Shawarma empire. Yeah, shawarma.
If you had only 100 rupees to impress someone on your first date, how would you do it?
Again, I'll buy a plate of veg momos.
Oh, chai.
Chai.
Simple, man.
I'd get them flowers.
Vada pav.
A rose and chai.
Buy roses.
I'll keep it in my pocket. I don't want to impress anyone.
I would take them for an ice cream date, I guess, like on the roadside.
For me, it'll be flowers. Bonville cranberry chocolate.
Hazelnut eclair. I think I shouldn't buy anything because I'm more than enough to impress someone.
Wow, okay.
Bouquet.
2 Tetra packs of gin.
I think they should impress us, no? Why are we impressing them?
You know those bracelets which they make here? That's probably just 100. Probably get that.
A coffee and a rose.
Maybe like a cup of coffee just sitting somewhere.
Flower.
Polaroid picture just to keep like a memory kind of thing.
We'll ask what they would prefer and do it together. Like maybe go out, eat ice cream or something that they would prefer.
Alright, so I'm going to lighten up your mood by giving 100 rupees to each of y'all.
Shut up!
100 rupees to the both
That's
of
so
you.
cool! Let's
Awesome,
go!
alright. Each one of y'all. Thank you. Awesome, alright. 100 rupees for both of y'all. Go get that veg momos, yeah?
I'm rich.
So here's the catch. I'm going to give you all 2,000 rupees right now if one of you are already following my page HyperFitX on Instagram. Are you all?
No.
Nope.
Shit, I don't sorry.
Hyperforex. I don't think so.
I don't think so.
I'm not.
Nope.
No, I don't follow you.
Look, I do.
Guys, we got a follower. Wow. Okay, so 2,000 rupees is going to be all yours. Let's count. 2,000 rupees is all yours. Congratulations on following me. Make sure you follow me to win this.